everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know that feeling when you're totally swamped, your to-do list is a mile long and you just want to crawl back in bed? We've all been there. But guess what? Self-care doesn't have to be a big, time-consuming production. Today we're diving into a super quick and effective self-care routine that you can do in just 5 minutes. Perfect for those busy days. Because you deserve to feel amazing, even when you're short on time. Let's dive in. All right, gorgeous, let's start by getting grounded and present in our bodies. Take a moment to find a comfortable seat, whether it's on a chair, a cushion, or directly on the floor. The key is to feel supported and at ease. Now, gently close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so. This helps to minimize distractions and allows you to turn your focus inward. Let's take a deep breath together, inhaling through the nose. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, feeling your belly expand like a balloon. Notice how the air fills your lungs, bringing in fresh energy and life. Imagine you're breathing in the most beautiful, calming energy. Picture it as a soft, glowing light that fills your entire being with peace and tranquility. Hold that breath for a beat or two, savoring the calmness it brings. Then, exhale slowly and completely through your mouth, letting go of any tension or stress. Feel the release as you breathe out. As you exhale, visualize those worries and stresses melting away like ice in the sunshine. See them dissolving and disappearing, leaving you feeling lighter and more at ease. Let's do that a few more times together. Inhale deeply, drawing in that calming energy. Hold it for a moment and then exhale, releasing any remaining tension. Inhale peace and energy, hold it, and exhale stress and tension. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more centered and grounded. Beautiful. Doesn't that feel amazing? Notice how your body feels now compared to when we started. Feel the difference in your energy and mood. This simple practice of deep breathing is like a magic reset button for your nervous system. Whenever you feel stressed or overwhelmed, remember that you can always come back to your breath. It's a powerful tool to help you find balance and peace in any moment. Now let's give ourselves a little love with a quick facial massage. This simple routine will not only enhance your skin's radiance, but also help you unwind and de-stress. It's a perfect way to take a short break and reconnect with yourself. This is going to boost circulation and leave you feeling refreshed and glowing. Improved blood flow brings more oxygen and nutrients to your skin, giving it that healthy, vibrant look. Plus, the act of massaging helps to release any built-up tension. Start by rubbing your palms together to generate some warmth. This warmth will help to relax your facial muscles and make the massage more effective. Feel the heat building up between your hands and take a deep breath in. Now, using your fingertips, gently massage your forehead in circular motions, moving from the center outwards. This helps to relieve any tension headaches and smooth out fine lines. Imagine you're erasing the stress of the day with each gentle circle. Move down to your temples and massage in small circles, releasing any tension you might be holding there. The temples are a common area for stress to accumulate, so take your time and be gentle. Feel the relaxation spreading across your face. Use your index fingers to gently massage the area under your eyes, moving from the inner corner outwards. This can help reduce puffiness and dark circles, giving you a more awake and refreshed appearance. Be very gentle as the skin here is delicate. Then, with your thumbs, massage along your cheekbones, moving upwards towards your ears. This motion helps to lift and firm the skin, giving your face a natural contour. Feel the muscles relaxing and the stress melting away. Finally, massage your jawline, moving your fingers in small circles from your chin towards your ears. This can help to release any tension in your jaw, which is often a place where stress is held. Notice how your face feels more relaxed and at ease. Doesn't that feel amazing? You're doing great. Taking just a couple of minutes for yourself can make a big difference in how you feel. Remember, self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Keep up the good work and enjoy the benefits of a relaxed mind and radiant skin. Chapter 3. Unkink and Unwind. 1 minute to loose and limber you. In this quick and effective routine, we'll guide you through a series of simple stretches designed to release tension and leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Whether you're at home, at work, or anywhere in between, these stretches can be done anytime, anywhere. Okay, beautiful. It's time to move our bodies and release any tension we're holding. Let's start by taking a deep breath in, filling our lungs with fresh air, and then slowly exhaling, letting go of any stress or worries. Feel the calmness wash over you as you prepare to stretch. stand up with your feet hip-width apart and roll your shoulders back a few times. This simple movement helps to open up your chest and improve your posture. As you roll your shoulders, imagine any tension melting away, leaving you feeling lighter and more relaxed. Now, gently tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Feel the stretch along the side of your neck. This stretch is great for relieving tension that often builds up from sitting at a desk or looking at screens for too long. Hold it there for a few seconds, feeling a nice stretch in your neck and shoulder. Breathe deeply and allow your muscles to relax. Remember, stretching should never be painful. If you feel any discomfort, ease off slightly. Now tilt your head to the left, holding the stretch on the other side. This helps to balance out the stretch and ensures both sides of your neck get the attention they need. Again, hold for a few seconds and breathe deeply. Next, clasp your hands behind your back and gently lift your arms, feeling a stretch in your chest and shoulders. This stretch is perfect for counteracting the effects of hunching over a computer or phone. It opens up your chest and allows you to breathe more deeply. Finally, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and bend forward from your hips, letting your head and arms hang down towards the floor. This forward bend helps to release tension in your back and hamstrings. Let gravity do the work as you relax into the stretch. Hold this stretch for a few seconds, feeling the tension release from your back. Breathe deeply and allow your body to relax completely. This is a great way to end the routine, leaving you feeling loose and limber. Amazing! You just gave your body some much-needed TLC. Remember, taking a few minutes each day to stretch can make a big difference in how you feel. Keep up the good work and enjoy the benefits of a more relaxed and flexible body. Chapter 4. Gratitude =, good vibes. 30 seconds to shift your mindset. Now let's shift our focus to gratitude. Grab a notebook or just think to yourself for a moment. What are 3 things, big or small, that you're grateful for right now? It could be anything. The sunshine streaming through your window, a delicious cup of coffee, or the love and support of your family and friends. Take a moment to really feel the gratitude in your heart. Gratitude is such a powerful practice because it helps us focus on the good things in our lives even when things are tough. And when we focus on the good, we attract more good into our lives. Chapter 5. You are powerful, 30 seconds of I am love. Alright, amazing! Let's finish strong with some powerful affirmations. Repeat after me. I am capable, I am strong, I am worthy, I am loved. Say it again louder this time. I am capable, I am strong, I am worthy, I am loved. Believe those words with every fiber of your being because they are true. You are a force of nature and you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Remember that. And there you have it. A quick 5-minute self-care routine that you can easily fit into your busy day. Remember, even small acts of self-care can make a world of difference in how you feel. So make time for yourself. You deserve it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on living your best life. See you next time.